Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
A strong fetal heartbeat at 9 weeks is a positive sign of a healthy pregnancy. It typically indicates that the embryo is developing well and reduces the likelihood of a miscarriage. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider will help monitor the progress and health of the fetus moving forward.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.